Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to link a second form with your first form. So I have made a small little project in which when I click this button it opens the second form. Now in this video I will show you how to create a very simple login uh, application with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So let's get started. It will be a very basic login application, and in the future I will also show you how to create a login page with the help of a database. It may be MySQL database or SQL server. I will show you all, but this is for very beginner level. So let's get started. I will have this button which I take from the last video, and one more thing I will take here is a text box. So let me take a text box from here and a label. Okay, so I have text box, a label, and a button. I will change the label text as password, and I will change the text of this text box as I will change the name of this text box as text box pass for text box password, and I will change the text of this button as login, for example. So when I click this button and when I enter some password, it should open a second form. So just double click this button once again, and in the last video I have shown you how to simply just open the second form. So I'm going to delete this and I will say if and make a bracket, and I will say if text box password dot text is equal to double quotes and give any password which you want to match. So for example, I give the password 12345, and then I will say here I will write then, and then and if, and in here in between I will open the second form. So I will write form 2 dot show and bracket. So it will validate this password whatever you enter in the text box, and if it's correct it will open the second form. Else what I will do is I will show a message that my password is not correct, right? So I will say password is not correct, for example. Okay, so now when I run the program and when I enter some random text and when I click login button, it says me password is not correct, and when I enter some real or valid password which is 12345, and when I click this login button it opens this second form. Now for example you want to hide this form when second form opens. So when this form opens you want to hide the first form. How you can achieve that? Simply you need to add one more line of code. So go inside this if condition. If password is true, or whatever you enter in the text box is true, then just below this form2.show, just write me dot hide. So me refers to the form itself. It's like saying this in C sharp, or it's like saying this in C++ also. So when now I run the program, and when I enter a valid password, for example 12345, and when I click this login button, you will see the first form is disappeared, right? So in this way you can link the second form to first form, and you can make a login application, a very simple and basic login application, with the help of this Visual Basic Windows Form application. In the future videos, maybe after some of the videos, I will also show you how to connect a database, and then also I will show you how to create a login page using whatever is saved in your database, and how to validate the database password with the help of Visual Basic. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.